This video is simply to help you hairstylists manifest or create whatever kind of business it is that you want. Okay, whatever kind of business it is that you would like to have. Step 1, you have to sit down and really think about what it is that you want, what works for you, what works for your lifestyle, what makes you happy, and write it down once you've really figured something out. At first, I thought I wanted 4 or 5 clients a day. That's what God gave me, 4 or 5 clients a day. And then I didn't have any time for my child. I didn't have any time for a love life. I didn't have any time for friends. I was worn out. I had bags under my eyes. It was not good. Like, some days I would go to work and my hair wouldn't even be combed. So, think about what it is that you want. Seriously, if you want to do 2 clients a day and have them pay $500 for one sew-in, you make $1,000 a day, write that down. And once you have it written down, what you do is you start imagining it. So you imagine yourself standing up, sewing into two weaves or whatever service you offer. So I'm into the hair extension business, so that's why I said imagine yourself sewing in 2 weaves, leaving with $1,000 each. Imagine each client paying you $500. That could be 5 crispy $100 bills. It could be however they decide to pay you, right? As long as it's $500. And then you imagine going to the bank and depositing that money into your bank. Keep imagining that. Over and over, you write out goals. You write out step by step. What is it that you're going to do to get these? What is it that you can do to get 2 clients a day that pays you $500, right? Whatever your goal is, write out whatever it is that you can do to, accomplish your goal. What's something that you can do every day to accomplish your goal? Write 3 things. Every day, go over that list and do those 3 things, right? And believe that you have your 2 clients paying $500. Believe it. You have to really believe it. You have to know that it's gonna work, right? Then, after you believe it, it's gonna happen. You're gonna get whatever it is that your wish is. You're gonna get it, and then you're gonna have your aha moment. And you're gonna say, "Oh, this is what I wanted," and it really worked. And then you'll come back and thank me. That's all. That's simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't have your own hair extension company, or if you wear wigs, anything, contact me, dreamdeeplyhair.com. My Instagram is @dreamdeeplyhair. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to always dream deeply, because dreams do come true.